It's been a while since we heard the sound of a shovel scraping the ground, attempting to clear walkways packed with snow, or kids sledding down the hills of Newark enjoying a snow day. In just 16 days, the winter season will begin, and meteorologists have already started predicting how much snow will fall this winter. When forecasting winter weather, meteorologists focus heavily on the El Niño Southern Oscillation. This winter, we will be in a La Niña phase of that oscillation. UD climatology professor John Callahan explains what that means for the Mid-Atlantic.
We are seeing a more typical La Niña kind of forecast, where warmer weather to the south of us along the coast, and really a 50-50 chance of changes in precipitation. However, we can actually extrapolate that, meaning that if we do have warmer weather, any precipitation we will get most likely fall as rain and not as snow, unfortunately.
With Delaware falling in the Mid-Atlantic area, the effects of La Niña are not as severe compared to the north and south of us. Based mostly off of La Niña patterns, Delaware is expected to have slightly higher averages throughout the winter season. Another thing that needs to be taken into account for winter forecasts is looking at past winters and their relationship with global warming. The change in average winter temperatures across the country is flooded with rising winter temperatures, with the East Coast showing a 3-degree Fahrenheit increase since 1970. Even though the winter season is warming faster than any other season, it is still possible to see those cold days. But why is this such a major concern? To start, there is a declining amount of mountain snowpack which is supposed to slowly melt and bring water to residents and crops during the summertime. Severe summer droughts occur when not enough snow falls. Nasty pests such as mosquitoes are sticking around and multiplying. Also, shorter winters disrupt the growing season. There will need to be more irrigation to keep plants alive for longer, which is an issue for places that experience drought. Lastly, winter activities that many love dearly, such as skiing, snowmobiling, and ice fishing, will be harder to do in warmer conditions. UD meteorology student Allie Hall shares how winter weather has changed here in Newark.
So I lived in the Newark area my whole life, and I remember back 10 years ago we used to get a foot or two of snow every winter, and nowadays we're lucky if we get a couple inches, which is pretty rare. Not really many snow days anymore.
For our area, our 30-year average snowfall is around 20 inches. We aren't quite done this calendar year yet, but so far, we only have 7.4 inches this year. Previous records showed it's been 8 years since we met that average. However, a large snowstorm really depends on the right ingredients coming together at the right time. If you wish to believe in the tale of the old farmer's almanac, heavy snow is predicted to fall this year for the Mid-Atlantic. Relying on the conditions of La Niña and a warming climate, it most likely will be difficult yet again to see those ingredients come together for a snowy season in Newark. For 49 News, I'm Laura Dailey.